Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded and I'm truly sorry for that. I am going to be doing my Boxycharm for the month of February. I'm going to unbox them for you guys, and I'm also going to be using them on my face for you. So if you're interested in that, grab a snack and let's just get started. Follow me on TikTok, and if you don't, my tag will be here on the screen. I've actually hit 10K on TikTok, so it would be greatly appreciated if you guys follow me on there too. I post there every day, so if you don't see content on my YouTube channel, you will definitely see it on my TikTok. So yeah, without further ado, let me just get into the video. Alright, so first off is my February base box. It retails for $25. I mean, it retails for $20. I'm sorry. Anyway, the subscription for the base box is $25 a month, which is the smaller box. I forget the exact variation I got, but... Alright, so the first thing in my box is the Beaute Nostalgia Palette. I think that's how it's pronounced. I might have said that completely wrong, so if I did, I am sorry. This palette retails for $38.99. This is the front of it. It's very pretty. These are the shades. Super beautiful. Alright, next in my base box, I got the Tolia Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Alright, this says that it retails for $32. This is what it looks like. I have gotten I think it's like a balm, like a balming cooling stick from them before. I did like it. I didn't use it often, but when I used it, you know, I liked how it felt on my skin. So I look forward to giving this a go. Alright, next in the base box, I got the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. So it looks like this. Alright, this is just, I don't know if this is the only shade of it, but this is the color I got. It's like a coral pink color. It's pretty pretty, actually. Pretty. It's been a long day, you guys. It's really pretty, and it is cream, obviously, and then here is the clear part. I did use this on my lips before I did, you know, my lipstick and everything, and it felt pretty good, so yeah. Okay, the next thing I got in my base box is this brush set by Glamir. I think that's how it's pronounced. I unfortunately did not use this. I honestly forgot that I got brushes in this kit, or in this month's box, so I used the other brushes that I have. But I will definitely use them in the future, but I will show you what they look like. They come in this little pink pouch. They are definitely Valentine themed. They got some white pink tip bristles. This is what they look like. So you got a brow brush, a packer brush, a shader brush, and a little bit of like a liner brush kind of. My handles, they got glitter and it floats down with hearts, so that's pretty cute. I mean, honestly, these are really cute. I don't want to use them just for that fact. I want to set them, put them out, but you know, we can't just have stuff sitting around. Alright, and the very last thing in the base box was this Ncla Beauty So Rich Love Potion, which is a vitamin E infused cuticle oil. This honestly was unexpected. When I pulled it out of the box, I thought it was nail polish because of the way the way it feels. So if you shake it, it also has pink hearts with glitter. When I did my nails the other day, I ended up using this. It smells really good. Real flowery, like floral scent. Yeah, I like it though. It doesn't really bother me. It don't linger. So I got that, and again, this retails for $18. Alright, next is my premium box. The premium box is $35 a month. It ranges anywhere from like $205 to like $215 for me. Usually that's like the retail value of my box. So yeah. Alright, so the first thing in my premium box is also an eyeshadow palette, which I did not use the shadows this time, but I definitely used it as a mirror. I got the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette. This is the mint palette. I honestly wanted the purple one, but I'm okay with it. It's pretty, you know, whatever. Alright, so it retails for $29. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. It's plastic. Comes with a mirror. And these are the shades in there. Very pretty. Especially this one right here in the middle. This like pink. And then this corally pink, reddish, gold. Yeah, the whole palette's pretty, honestly, except for like the mint colors. I'm not super big on mint just because it doesn't look good on my skin. But in general, they are very pretty. Alright, next is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in Highlight 01. So I seen a lot of people saying that they could use this to set their face. I did not do that. As you can see, it is very blinding, and I do not recommend you setting it on your face. Personal preference, I mean, you can do whatever you want. I am not your boss, but it is very blinding. So again, this is in Highlight 01. Gotta open it. Alright, it comes with a mirror in here, and here is the huge pan. It is so beautiful, and I'm gonna just go like this for you guys, see? Blinding. So yeah, I don't recommend you use this to set your entire face, but if you want to use it for that, you can do whatever you want. It is absolutely beautiful, so. Alright, up next is the Rodial, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Rodial, R-O-D-I-A-L, Rodial. I don't know. It is the Soft Focus Glow Drops. It retails for $60. This here is the box. It's got like a holographic lettering, pink, white, pretty standard. I use these, and honestly, these smell amazing. I love the smell of it. It just honestly makes me want to eat it, not gonna lie. It's very dewy. It gives you that glow for sure. If you are oily, I do not recommend this. It's not going to make you look matte or anything like that. It is definitely glowy. Listen to what the paper in the box says. It is glowy. It is beautiful. So this is what it looks like. Okay, it is in a frosted glass. It has a little dropper. It is baby pink in color, and it smells amazing. I can't place it. It smells like some kind of candy that I've eaten. So yeah, I like this. Alright, so this next item I'm honestly super excited about because I'm going to use it to take off all this makeup. And as you guys, most of you guys know, that anything like red or really pink pigmented, it stains. So I'm looking forward to seeing how all this comes off. So this is called the Odysite. Y'all listen, I only made it to 11th grade before they expelled me, so don't come for me. I think it's pronounced Odysite Blue Aura Cleansing Water, which is just like a micellar water to take off all your makeup. It is a huge, whoa, that would have hurt. It is a huge bottle, pretty much the length of my head. You get 120 ml, which is, it claims to be a 4 ounce, but it seems like so much more than that. For example, here is a 4 ounce monomer versus a 4 ounce, yeah, so they definitely seem different to me, but, you know, don't come. Up next is this Tarte Double Take Liner. Now, I already had this, so I didn't use the one in the box. So here's the box. Okay. Like I said, I already had it, so same one, literally. One end is a felt tip, or this isn't the felt tip. One end is a felt tip, and then the other end is like a twist up pencil. So, yeah. And I use this. I don't use it often just because the felt tip is a little hard to use over like any kind of glitter. And it gets kind of like, before you know it, your wing will be way too thick. So I don't really use it that often, but I do like it. It's just very hard to use when you use glitter. So if you're using glitter, I don't recommend it. Alright, and the last thing in my premium box is this Eloise Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. Now that was a mouthful. It says that it retails for $26, so I'm assuming it's like the Stila ones or even the e.l.f. ones. I haven't even taken it out of the box. Oh. Alright, so right off the bat, again, it looks like nail polish. It's cute little packaging. Just like the cuticle oil. It looks like nail product, but it's not. It is a foiled eyeshadow. Ooh. Alright, so this is the applicator. Let me just go right here for you guys so you can, wow. That's what that looks like. That is definitely gold and beautiful. Oh, and the shade on this was pure gold. So, yeah, this is stunning, you guys. Just perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so as you can see, I've already done the brows off camera and I primed my eyes just to save a little bit of time. I'm going to be going in with this palette. This is the Ace Beaute Nostalgia palette. It's super beautiful. This is what it looks like. Super beautiful. I think I'm just going to do a little bit of pink, you know, for Valentine's Day, a little bit of the red, and that's pretty much all I'm going to be able to do with this. So just bear with me, and hopefully the eye look looks great. So let's just get started. Alright, and to start off, I'm going to be going into the shade Flower and putting that in my crease and a little bit towards the outer corner as well. Alright, then I'm going to go in with the shade Picnic, and I'm going to put that in the crease to deepen it up and also on the outer corner. Okay, I think for the lid, I'm going to go in with the shade Heat, which is this shade right here. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I took the shade Picnic, which was the hot pink, and I put that in my outer corner as well. So yeah. Okay, I also this month got the Tartest Double Take Eyeliner. This is the one with a felt tip on one end and a pencil, like a twist up pencil on the other side. I do have this, so I'm not going to open this one, but I will show you the other one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, one is a twist up end right here, and the other end is a felt tip pen. So I'm just going to use the felt tip end and do my wings. Okay, I'm going to take a break from the eyes. They're starting to water and I'm just going to give them a break. So I'm going to go into the face and I'm going to be using this Soft Glam Glow Drops. It is a Illuminating Ultimate Glowing Primer. This is what the product looks like. It is a beautiful frosted glass packaging. That smells really good. Okay, I'm just gonna put some here. A little bit everywhere really, because I'm pretty dry. Wow. That is beautiful on the skin. Holy crap. Do you see this, you guys? Wow. I also will be leaving everything that I use down below in the description box, just because not everything that I'm going to be using in today's video is from this month's box. So, well, boxes, I should say. But majority of everything that I'm using that I'm putting in the description box is things that I've already gotten in past boxes. Alright, I'm going to speed through doing my foundation really quickly and my concealer. Alright, before I set my face, I'm going to be going in with this. This is the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek Duo blush. It is a beautiful coral shade. Okay. And here is the clear one, which you just like, you know, put on your lips and then you'll put the pink part over top of it. But I'm not going to do it on my lips today. I'm just going to use it as a blush. So, alright, so I'm going to use this buffing brush by Real Techniques. Just kind of, oh, she's pigmented. Oh. Do it lightly, oh gosh. Wow, that is so pretty. To set my face, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Pro Filter powder in the shade Butter. I'm also going to use this to set under my eyes. I got this in my box, I believe, last month. So it's in the shade Butter. And again, it's Fenty. Alright, I am looking so flawless right now. I'm absolutely in love. To set the cream blush a little bit better, I'm going to go in with this LA Girl one. It is the closest to the coral shade that I have. So, alright, to bring some color back into my skin, I'm going to use the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. I used this a couple days ago and it is absolutely beautiful. I love the way it looked on my skin, so I'm going to use some of it. Alright, for lips, I'm going to line my lips with the Ace Beaute lip liner. I'm not sure of the shade. It is a red color. I got this in my Boxy a couple months back, so I'm just going to use it for this look. And for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in the shade Missy is the Fierce, or Missy and the Fierce, I'm sorry. And it is a reddish. Alright, and then to do my highlighter, I got the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder. From what I've seen, the reviews I've seen, it's just best to use as a highlighter because it has a little bit of shimmer in it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use it as a highlighter. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It kind of resembles like the e.l.f. baked highlighter I used to use. You're lying. Oh gosh. Alright, so as you guys see, this is the most beautiful highlight I have ever seen. You guys, I can't make this shit up. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my face. I'm going to use my LA Girl setting spray. I haven't used this for a while, so I'm just going to use it. Alright, so this is the look that I created using my Boxycharm products. And obviously it is Valentine's Day, so this is a Valentine makeup look. It's not my favorite, but it definitely is very cute, very wearable. And I don't wear much pink or red, and you guys know that. But I love how this turned out. I don't hate it at all. Absolutely stunning. Alright, so my overall base box value is $140.94, which honestly is a great deal for only $25. Now, my premium box, which retails for $35, the grand total value is $222. So you get way more than what you're paying. It's honestly worth it in my opinion. I quit using Ipsy and I went to Boxy and I have not switched back. But it's just personal preference. You can do whatever you want. There's no right or wrong way. So I just wanted to clarify that before anyone says anything about it.